Alright everyone, I pulled this thing off of my 350 rocket motor, which is a 5.7 Oldsmobile 1970 model. It's in the El Camino. I did want to clean these out, see how well this thing does. I'm going to use Purple Power and see if we can get all of that cleaned up. We'll see how this thing works. If not, then we'll go another direction, I guess. So let's see how this works. Alright, here's the final result using Purple Power to clean this and the thermostat. I think it came out pretty good, nice and shiny. I had to use some soft bristle brush. This one's a plastic bristle one. This one's a little harder brush for the inside of that. I just scrape that off and then use a pad for the end parts, I guess at the last parts, but it did take out all the gunk and everything in there, all the buildup. So yeah, that worked pretty good. I mixed it in with water. I'm just going to I guess polish up these things, you know, just clean it off a little bit more, but not with the Purple Power, just with some all-purpose cleaner, I guess you could say, or maybe even brake cleaner. So yeah, I don't think we have to buy a new one. We'll just put this back on the El Camino, but Purple Power works.